Hey guys, Coach Kelly, official trainer of I Love Lacrosse TV. Today we're going to get into the top 3 girls defensive footwork drills that you can do so that you stop getting beat on ball. Let's get into it. All right guys, so now we're going to get into our first girls defensive footwork drill. It's just I call it the defensive stance drill. So it's good to get in front of a wall or a net, something you can put your hands on. So get set, Molly. She's going to exaggerate her defensive stance. She's going to get really low. So notice how real important, we want her spine to be straight. Ready? So start going. She's going to push off her left foot. Good. She's going half speed, and notice how we're not rocking. Relax. Stand up straight, relax. She's not going to rock at all. Her upper body stays still while just her lower body's moving. This is super important. So many defensive players come in here and tell me that, they're having trouble, they're getting beat, they're doing this. And when I ask them how often they practice getting in and out of a defensive stance, the answer is usually almost never. So get set, do the same thing going back. And obviously you can do this for a longer width. Good, good, and relax. That's our defensive stance drill. All right, guys, so now we're going to get into our second girls defensive footwork drill. We'll just get started and I'll explain some key coaching points as we go. Go ahead. Ball, 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 good, and then back pedal. Good. It's called the hawk drill. If you notice, good, stop, relax for a second. Watch when she keeps going. Once we restart, what we're working on here is big, big, little, little. So when you approach the ball carrier, 9 times out of 10, what happens? They change directions, right? So big, big, and we want to break down almost like a linebacker and be ready to react. Get set, go, keep going. So watch as she approaches, pop, 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 light on her feet, and she's good, ready to react. So they'll go down and they'll come back. Same thing, into the back pedal, trying to stay in that stance. Good, you're good, relax. That's our hawk drill, back pedal. All right, guys, so now we're going to get into our third and final girls defensive footwork drill. This is called Zig Zag One-on-One. So if you're going to watch, she's going to be doing a shuffle, but what we're doing is we're mimicking being on a defender. So like a defender's dodging. What we're really working on is change the direction. Watch how she drops her hips and pushes off with her outside foot. Go. Good. She's going to drop her hips and push off. Good. Relax. So face me. Now on the way back, what I want you to focus on, so when you were hitting the cone, see how you were kind of doing a double step? We want to plant and push off. So do that. Get set. Go. Good. Better. Good. That's our Zig Zag One-on-One drill.
I hope you guys liked our latest video. If you want a free lacrosse training workout that will help you add 10 miles per hour to your shot, just click here or click the link in the description, enter in your email, and I will send it directly to your email. Don't forget to subscribe, like us, or leave a comment. Until next time, keep working.